Hi everyone and welcome to episode 7 of learning how to crochet. So we've learned how to do the traditional granny square. Today we're going to learn how to do a triangle granny square. So what you'll need is your ball of yarn, a pair of scissors, a wool needle and a crochet hook. And let's get started. As always when I can, I start all my projects with the magic circle. When I crochet my triangles, I like to do clusters of 4 double crochets. You can do clusters of 3 double crochets, it's just a preference. So I'll start with a 3 chain, which will act as my first double crochet stitch, and then do 3 more double crochet stitches for our first cluster. Then we'll do 2 chain stitches, 4 more double crochet stitches, 2 chain stitches, and then 4 more double crochet stitches, which will finish our first round. We'll pull that magic ring tight, then do a slip stitch in the top of that 3rd chain, and then that will finish the first row of the crochet triangle. I always find doing the first row of any project a little fiddly because you don't have much to hold on to. What do you think? That is our first row finished. For our second row, it's our corner clusters. So we'll do our 3 chain, then into our first 2 chain gap, we're going to do 4 double crochet stitches, 2 chains and another 4 double crochet stitches, which will be our corner cluster. We'll do it 2 more times into our other 2 gaps of our 2 chain gaps to make the 3 corners of our triangle. So now we've finished our second row of the corner clusters. Our third row is the corner clusters and the side clusters. And each row on from there includes the corner clusters and the side clusters, and it'll just keep getting bigger and more side clusters. In this episode, I'm just demonstrating a 5-row triangle and finishing it off. So projects that we can do with our triangle grannies. I've mainly done bunting with them for various reasons, different colours, hang them in the room or whatever, or do themed ones like for Christmas, Halloween, or a birthday. We can also make a whole heap, sew them together for a blanket, make them and sew them together to make a bag or a clutch or a scarf, and all my ideas are out right now, but there would be lots more. If you have any more ideas, just drop them in the comments for me. So here I'm at the end of my 5th row, and I'm going to finish the triangle here. Make sure you always pull enough the yarn through and cut off that you've got enough to weave back in and to finish off to hide those stitches, because I often cut my ends too short. I'm not the best at weaving those ends in. I just make it so you can't see them. They're in enough that it's not going to unravel on me. That piece had a knot in it, so I just cut it off before I thread my needle to sew in, and we're done. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.